Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I last posted a new video, and we're going to start a new subject, a panda. We're going to use two brushes. The small one is wolf hair and the large one is goat hair. And we're going to use just ink today. Let's get started. I'm going to start with some light ink. So take some ink, dilute it with a bit more water for the face. Some artists remix different shades of ink, but I don't. I simply contain more water in my brush to take fresh ink each time and mix it right before I paint. This way your ink will always look fresh and can achieve subtle gradient. The eyes and ears are obviously just black ink. Now I'm painting a second panda kind of facing each other. I've never learned how to paint pandas. I just improvise and paint it the way that I want it. I think that these days you can just go Google and look at some pictures or go to the zoo and find some giant pandas and observe how they look and then create a painting out of the picture reference or from your memory. Now I'm using a large brush to paint the arms and legs. The reason why I'm using a large brush is that I want to keep this painting simple and use fewer brush. And see, it works. Now I'm using a bright stroke to paint the bamboos. Bamboos is actually a strong, straight, upright type of plant, and you want to make it look strong with strength. So never use like soft, like side strokes to paint it. That includes the branches and leaves. So these tree branches or the bamboo branches are also stiff, even though it's very thin. So you always have to use a bright stroke to paint. And I'm adding some bamboo shoots on the ground to create a scene. Now it is a challenging part, which is to add the bamboos that the planters are holding or eating. Because I'm using just ink, there is no other color that can differentiate between the arms and the bamboo. So I have to be careful when I paint these leaves and the stems because it may blend with the other color and ruin the entire painting. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.